Good afternoon, middle school families. Sarah Suki here, your middle school principal, welcoming you into the 21-22 school year. We wanted to do a quick update today so that you are aware that tomorrow at 9 o'clock, we will be opening our web portal, Parent View. That's a place where you can log in to find your child's teacher as well as a schedule for our 7th and 8th graders. Everything should be finalized, and at this point, we shouldn't see any new changes going forward. So again, at 9 o'clock, if you cannot log into ParentView or you haven't set up your account yet, please email Kristen Quell, our assistant at the middle school, and she will be able to assist you. She will be on her computer throughout the day. Her email is found in the newsletter that we are sharing with us as well. So you can email her using the email that's shared there. A couple important dates for you to be aware of. Next Wednesday, August 25th, will be our open house for grades 4 through 8. We invite families to come in, meet us, and bring school supplies, those types of things, and take a tour of our building as they come in and spend some time with us and get to know your teacher or teachers. We unfortunately will not be having pictures on that day due to a staffing shortage. Life Touch is not able to make that happen on August 25th. We will be scheduling a date later this fall and we'll be in touch about what that looks like. I believe dates are being scheduled and finalized right now. So lastly, we're talking a little bit about Minnewaska mindset this year and just what does that mean for kids and how do we talk about the power of yet. So we've added some information at the bottom of our newsletter as well as some important dates for you to be aware of as you get ready with schedules to gear back into the year. We are so excited to have you back and hope that you're enjoying the last few days of summer as we are as well. Just a reminder, school starts August 30th, and will be excited to welcome you back. Have a great last few weeks, and we will see you next Wednesday. Take care, crew.